Just like that, we're back, baby. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. Today is the day. The reincarnation of Godzilla, the bug killer. Finally, my Nissan GTR is done and we're back. Now, I have been hyping up this bug killer for a long time, but honestly, guys, like this Nissan GTR is gonna be a bug destroyer, a bug decimator. In every single statistical category, this GTR is gonna destroy every Bugatti in existence. Am I qualified to drive this car? Absolutely not. So it is currently 11:31 a.m. We gotta be there at 12 and it is a 45-minute drive, so luckily we have a V12. It's not that I even want to, but we got two Toyota Priuses, or is it Prii? We need to bless their ears, right? Little shake and bake, baby. You're welcome, you're welcome. Jeez, every time it hits so hard. Baby, let's go. The Aventador has 700 crank horsepower. Remember that number because the bug killer is gonna have double. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived to 187 Unlimited Racing. Where is she? Oh, yes. Now, you guys might remember a couple weeks ago, we started unwrapping the Aventador and we didn't finish. I realized it looks absolutely ridiculous, but at the same time, it looks kind of sort of cool. I like it.
I think it should stay the same so that we don't have to unwrap it. This looks great.
Luke is getting lazy. I think Luke hates unwrapping cars just as much as me, but the Argos looks so incredible. Later in today's video, we might unwrap, but obviously we have far more important things. It's such a range of emotions. I'm excited and I'm nervous at the same time. I'm not qualified to drive this car. Ladies and gentlemen, we've arrived. We're definitely gonna need some ear protection. Brad was telling me this GTR is so crazy loud. So we have Brad from Precision Performance. He has his laptop and all his technology. Brad is the magician, the wizard who has built this GTR. All right, she sounds mighty healthy. Oh, and of course, we got the wheels, the light wheels. Yeah, that's right. Tokyo Drift in Utah. Yeah, Salt Lake Drift. The crazy thing, I haven't even heard this GTR in several months. It sounds so good. This is so exciting, but also so nervous at the same time. Like for YouTube, big power is incredible. Like off camera guys, like I'm kind of sort of terrified. Just so you know, when you need hearing aids in the future, that's not on me. That's not on me. So we're just gonna do a baby warm up, gotta get the car ready. Oh, she sounds so good, so good. Wow. Are we good? Okay, so we gotta stay back here though. We gotta get some distance. All right, full send to the moon. The bug killer. All right. I can't even tell how loud that is because you got the earplugs in. Sounds so crazy. So that right there was map number 1. Check this baby out. 980 wheel horsepower. That's on map 1.
That's wastegate
That's like
pressure.
the lowest map.
That's wastegate pressure, no boost.
That is insanity. All right, yeah. I mean, it was a great idea, but at the same time, 1,000 wheel horsepower. The Veyron's got 1,001 crank horsepower, and this was map 1. I have to reiterate, that was map number 1. We have 9 different maps. Obviously, map 9 is the full horsepower. We're gonna do map 3 right now, and that was map 1's 980. I'm feeling a little bit more brave. I think I can stand this close. All right, so this is map 3 of 9 maps. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Big numbers. Okay. 1,157. And that was lap 3. Dude, look at the torque. Dude, that's insane. Bro, this is insane. You're driving this car. I can't drive this car. I don't want to drive. I don't want to. I got a dog. On map 3, 1,157 horsepower. So we just let the car cool down. We could run through all the maps, but you know what? I think we just go straight to the moon. This is map number 9. This is full power. Full power. I'm excited, I'm nervous at the same time. Yeah. That was crazy. Are you kidding me? Smart smile. What? 1565. $1,560. This is not safe. This car is not safe. 1,500. We projected 14,100. Bro. Dude, Stefan, where are you at, bro? Where's Stefan?
Yeah, no.
Dude, 15, look at the max torque. What? 1,500 horsepower. Oh, bro. I'm nervous, dude. 1,500 wheel horsepower.
I don't know.
Brad said 1,400.
You can drive it home. I don't want to take that. That's way safer.
No. When we finally do the Veyron GTR race, you're driving the GTR. I'm driving old reliable. I'm driving the Veyron.
And if I crash it, is it on me or is it on you?
It doesn't really matter.
'Cause I'll be out.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. I have to stress, guys, this is wheel horsepower. That's not crank horsepower, that's wheel. So crank, it's like 1,800 horsepower.
1,800.
This is an 1,800 horsepower Nissan GTR. Like I said, it's not the bug killer, it's the bug decimator, the destroyer. Like, this is gonna, like, it's gonna embarrass the Veyron. 1,500. So the 1,500 wheel horsepower is fun and all, blah, 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 but the GTRs are map 0. This is flame to it. I gotta get these in. I gotta get these in. I gotta hustle. Always protect me. Oh, wow. That's so loud. I'm too old for this. What was that? Oh my gosh, could you imagine that at night go down the freeway? Oh, yeah. We blew out a diffuser. We broke it. Well, that was one of the most violent experiences of my entire life, and for this poor carbon fiber diffuser, it was as well. Oh my gosh, it like delaminated the whole thing. Wow, flame season, boys, this year is gonna be a little bit different. I always say you can hear the flames from here in North Carolina, but whereas on the GTR, you can hear them around the world. That was ridiculous. So now, yes, of course, the car's not quite ready to come back to the house. We gotta put the front bumper back on, gotta put the stock wheels back on, but I think in about 2 days we'll be back home. That flame tune messed me up. I don't feel good. It might be the 85. You guys might remember the last time I was with Brad, I rode in his 2,000 horsepower GTR that was methanol injected. I started tearing up like a little baby. I'm a car guy.
Methanol, or you were scared.
Okay, maybe I get emotional. Do you blame me? No, I'm totally fine. You're gonna start crying the first time I drive this for sure. So obviously the GTR is not ready to take home quite yet. He's gotta put the bumper back on, he's gotta reconnect the drive shaft. Obviously we have these tires just for the dyno, but the car should be back in maybe 2 days. The GTR just looks so crazy in motion. That car right there is gonna eat some Bugattis in the very So good, so good. Well, we've now reached Luke's favorite part in the entire video. It's sunny, it's warm, which means the vinyl is gonna come off just like butter. It's time to start unwrapping the Aventador. Oh, you're already starting? Good work. You see, this is why I love Luke. The hard work, the tenacity, he never stops hustling. He can't even wait to get home. He's already starting to unwrap. Sun's out, buns out, baby.
Ooh, that's not bad.
You better finish the door, otherwise we're gonna look absolutely ridiculous driving down the road. This Argo is so good though. Like, look at this color. It is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, this is gonna be easy, too easy.
I'll let you finish that.
But actually, like, this is gonna be so much easier. Look at this. What? What is going on? Oh, yes. Oh, bro. That was amazing. One pull. We are sitting at a red light and Luke is unwrapping the Aventador. My
so
God.
much better.
Also, the color of that BMW is so sick. Dude, hustling. All right. I think we need that color on a car. That is so sick. Send it, bro. Send it. He didn't send it. I haven't even started filling up the car and Luke is going to work.
Kind of
you see, I get a lot of DMs from people who want to work for me, but the thing is, he's a one-stop shop. He can do it all.
You don't want to work for this guy, trust me.
Wait, I would, okay. We are officially those guys unwrapping the Aventador. There's the gas. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, oh, come on. Too easy, so easy. This is why we can't have nice things. This guy's AMG is just covered in filth. It's like he doesn't even care about the car. AMG boy.
I need to get my life together.
That's Luke's car. You guys know I hate wrapping cars more than anything else. This is utterly ridiculous. We're gonna make it easy. Like I said, the Arancio Argos looks incredible. We're almost done, we're like halfway there. It was so easy last time. I don't know why we don't just do it again. Boom. too easy. The Argos looks amazing. Now the satin blue from KPMF looked absolutely incredible. There's just something about factory paint. The Arancia Argos, like with the Rosa Acanthus, with the Verde Artemis, the three cars look so crazy. And yes, I realize I got a little blue here. I get it. We got to remove the back bumper to do that. And obviously today we're feeling incredibly lazy. But check this out, guys. We just got a new set of the purple Strad bags, the camera backpacks. If you want to pick one up, it's a very limited supply. There's a link in the description below. It actually matches the Gladiator to perfection. 1,565 wheel horsepower. I can't even comprehend that amount of power. Like I was expecting 1,400 wheel horsepower, 1,500 plus wheel horsepower, 1,800 crank horsepower, the reincarnation of Godzilla, the Bug Killer, the Nissan GTR. So we should have the car. We should be driving on the road, I would imagine, in a matter of a couple days. I cannot wait, but at the same time, I'm very, very terrified. And on that bombshell, today's video is over. You see, we here at Strad Enterprises provide a safe environment, a nice environment, really a perfect environment to protect your baby's skin. That's 100 SPF. I didn't cheapen out. I got the nice stuff.
Wow.
That's not the knockoff.
Banana boat.
Protect
Not
your
sponsored, but should be.